I wanted to compare two popular garden hoses. These come in different lengths, but the ones you're looking at right here, this is the Flexzilla. This is a 25-foot version. Again, it comes in different lengths. This is the Stanley FATMAX. This is a 50-foot version, but it also comes in different lengths. So one of the things for me, I just want a hose that doesn't kink, and these are two good options if you're looking for hoses that don't kink, but they're not exactly the same. Let me try to explain to you a little bit of difference other than the length. The FATMAX is a little bit thicker material just by the feel of it, and it also is probably because of that rated to handle a little bit higher PSI of water pressure. Now I'm not sure in just a regular garden hose situation that's going to come into factor very much, but just to point that out, it is a difference. The Flexzilla, on the other hand, one of the things, the advantage of it is it's a little bit lighter and maybe a little bit easier to maneuver around, though again not rated to handle quite as high of a PSI. Again, I don't think on a regular garden hose situation that matters a whole lot. So just wanted to explain those are the two primary differences, but both quality hoses, both good at resisting kinking. I'm not saying impossible to kink, but definitely kink resistant compared with other hoses I've used. Let me just turn them on so we can see them in action. Let me just turn them on one at a time, and I do have good water pressure on this hose, so you can see it's spraying a long way with good pressure. The other thing I like about both these, they're 5/8 inch diameter, which I like as opposed to like a 1/2 inch diameter, just to be able to get a little bit more volume through the hose. Let me turn the Flexzilla off and turn the other one on for you. So you see with the Stanley, it seems like maybe just a little bit wider hose. I mean, they both say 5/8 inch. I'm just saying based on how it's spraying. Same amount of water coming through because I'm hooked up to the same pipe here, but not spraying quite as far, but maybe a little bit more volume. So maybe slightly thinner on the Flexzilla. Both good options, both kink resistant. One a little lighter, one a little heavier duty water pressure, but I don't think you can go wrong either way. Very happy with both of these hoses.